Okay, so normally on Wednesday I give like an ESS, erotic sexual and seductive dance demonstration. But today I just want to give y'all some nice little tips for drinking. Right? Let me tell y'all something. When you going out and you having a good time with your friends, your man, you on a date, whatever it may be, you don't never want to get drunk. Don't nobody want to get drunk. First of all, when you drunk, that's an easy way for somebody to take advantage of you. Uh, yeah, and it's a fucked up ass feeling. You wake up feeling all fucked up. No, nobody want to be like this. So, like, get you if you like wine, right? So say you done bought you a nice little wine. You at the bar, you at the lounge, you at the club. I don't know where the fuck you at. You can have this like you sip it, right? You twirl it around, nice little twirl. Some people like to smell, but you don't gotta do all that. But just twirl it, just mixing up all the ingredients up in here, right? And then you just take your nice little. You put it in your mouth, let it stay in your mouth, and then you swallow. See now, knowing what type of wine you like, now that's just trial and error. You gotta figure out. I'm not a white girl. I'm a red girl. And you got to figure out which ones you like. It's like finding a good porn to watch, bitch. It's a haystack, and you guys got to go through that motherfucker and figure out which one you like. So yeah, so you turn it around, you be walking around, drinking. You can have this shit for like 30 minutes. It cut, and also like you'll be nice with a nice little bottle of wine. I mean, a glass of wine, because you take all while you can just be rolling around like that. But that's up to you. That's something I do. I ain't said you got to do it, but that's just something I be walking when I'm at somewhere like at an event, rolling my motherfucking glass and rolling my wine around and take me a nice little sip, put it in my mouth, hold it there. And then you swallow the entire thing. That's why I have to make sure that you like whatever you are drinking. And you can and because like wine, like it for me, I don't know, because everybody's alcohol tolerance is different. When it goes down, like you feel that shit like all through your chest. I guess alcohol period, your chest and everything. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and you take your time. No, like no, why are you doing that? We ladies, we were talking about that yesterday. We're gonna be a lady. Always be a lady. And you don't want to be nowhere drunk. You understand what I'm saying? You want to have a good time, nice and tipsy, and all the things. So this is one way for your wine. Okay, so this is for my girls who is on a budget, right? Say you on a budget, right? And you know what I'm saying? Y'all going out to the club, maybe you trying to get there before that motherfucker, before they start charging, whatever. I don't know your situation. This is for my people who on the budget, right? Say you on a budget. Now this is some difficult. You can take whatever bottle shape, you're gonna roll it up, and if you think I'm about to do it, I'm about to do it, you're disgusting. Or something like that. So you take it like a pad, just in case they be searching you and shit. And you put it in your panties, and you walk so that when they search you, like they don't feel nothing. And like you don't even feel like nothing. Like you know what I'm saying? It's like a pad. And you just boom, and then when you get in the bathroom, take that motherfucker out, throw the paper away, bong. But you got you some water or something, you just pour your shit in there. This for my girls on the budget. Cowboy boots. You can just easily just slide that shit down like where it depends on how big your calves are. So you just plug it down in there. Nobody never see it. Down in your boat. So now, say if you want to use some thigh high boots. So most thigh high boots zip up right at the ankle. So you can take it, push it in, and zip it up. Right? Okay, that ain't gonna work. Okay, that ain't gonna work. We no. Okay, so that's on wong 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 wong. Cause you can. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how to also max how to max a drink, right? When you out, cause mind you, motherfucking cocktails be costing like. I went to this one spot. The shit was like $35. So look, it was like this old. They had this old. It was all grand door. It supposed to be the smoke come out. When I drunk it, it was so fucking good. I was at the Brooklyn Chop House, and I was like, "Where is my experience?" They was like, "The such and such don't work." Well, I'm not paying for that. They was like, "Okay, you don't have to." Bitch, and that drink was good. I don't know what the fuck was in it, and I also it didn't have no ice in it. So that's the key. So I'm gonna take this up. This is gonna make me a quick little something. So just whatever your choice your choice of cocktail is right while you out, right? The key is why this motherfucker ain't put no ice in an ice tray? The key is no ice. Let me put some ice up in here. This little motherfucker. Oh my God, I can't stand him. But the key is whatever cocktail that you drink, you want to make sure that you don't get no ice. Now, you can say you want to chill, whatever. Say whatever it is. I don't know. You know, everybody got their own little cocktail menu. Because I love to drink like different types of cocktails, and whatever it is, most of it always come with ice. So you'll be like, no, I like it chilled or straight up. What's another word? Um, Damn, what's another one? I know chilled, straight up. I can't think of the other one, but I know those two. But I remember how I said that to a bartender, and they didn't know what the fuck I was talking about. So all bartenders are not created equal. Everybody don't understand the lingo. Maybe they just got there. I don't know. But to max out your cocktail, where you done spent damn near $25 for, when you out, you know what I'm saying? Like just have it chilled. You know, when that means chill, they're gonna make it, pour the ice in, take it out, and then pour it. It'll be chilled. Or you want it up. That's the other word. You want it up. And not this cup is chilled. You know what I'm saying? But I'm at home with it, and you be easy. Now that was just nasty what I just made. This ain't my normal shit. I just brushed some shit out the refrigerator. This shit tastes like medicine. That's gross. But yeah, and you sip, ladies. Don't be like I don't understand. Like look, I understand like when y'all out with y'all friends and y'all doing the shot shit. That shit is not good. All it's gonna get you is twisted in your mind, some motherfucking where else, and you somewhere drunk that you can find yourself in a difficult motherfucking situation that you don't want to be in. You can, embarrassing yourself, like all types of stupid shit. So we always want to be in lady mode all the time. And when you out, you going out to have a good time. We going out to have a good time. And to always be aware of our surroundings, like you know what I'm saying, and get a little tipsy. That's it. So you sip. Don't be pushing it back. Sip. Like take your time. And don't forget, the same thing, with your wine. You know what I'm saying? You said. And that's it. And you're going to have yourself a good time. Your integrity is going to be intact. Your lady certificate, maybe having that shit up high, is intact. You are aware. You know what I'm saying? And you have yourself a good time. So these are my tips for today on going out, have you a good time, have you a nice little cocktail or a glass of wine, whether you're on a date or you're hanging out with your girlfriends or you're just going out by yourself and sitting at the bar and hopefully, somebody come and try to holler at you. Be easy. That's why I like being easy.